Alright, in this video, I will show you guys how to create YouTube thumbnails using Capcut. So open Capcut on your phone, then click on New Project. Go to Photos, and then select the background you want to use. So down here on the menu section, you scroll to Aspect Ratio, and then select 16:9. Then you adjust the image to fill the canvas. Now click on Overlay, then bring in the image. So you click on the image and then scroll to Remove BG. Then click on Auto Remover, and that will remove the background. Now if the auto remover is not perfect, you can use Custom Remover to select the part of the images you want. Don't worry if this is a pro feature, just click on Continue. Now adjust the image however you want. Then again, click on Overlay and bring in the next image. So I'll just adjust it. Now next, click on Text. I'll type my text. Then I will choose Elegant as the font. You can choose whichever font you like. Then select this as style. Now adjust the text. Click on Add New Text. Then I will type my text. Change the style. Then adjust it how I want. Next, I will adjust all the images and text till I get something I like. The background is too bright, so I will click on it. Then go to Adjust. Then click on Brightness. And then bring it down a little bit. I'll also go to Vignette. And then add some vignette to the video. Next, I will add some color grading to my picture. So click on the subject and then go to Adjust. I will increase the brightness and also increase saturation, and then make some basic adjustments. You can as well use filter to make the image better or pop. Lastly, I will adjust all of the objects and text again to my liking. So yeah, we have a thumbnail. To export this, just take a screenshot and then crop the image appropriately. And there's your thumbnail. You can view it on your phone and then upload it to YouTube. So that's how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Capcut. You can as well watch the video where I showed you guys how to edit your videos with Capcut. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. My name is Victor Smith. See you guys in the next video.